Hey guys, I see that you had a little bit of difficulty with Fry's bank account, so I wanted to go over the answers with you. Okay, so what's given to us is that Fry had 93 cents in his account. He earned 2.25% interest rate, and it's been 1,000 years. To review the formula is y is equal to a 1 plus r to the tth power. Again, to decode what all of this means, a is your starting value. 1 is your 100%, and r is your rate, which we need to change into a decimal, and t is your time. Now, going back to the three things that we need, the three things are already given to us. Your original amount is 93 cents, so this is your A value. Being that it's a 2.25% interest rate that we need to change into a decimal, move the decimal place 2 times, and your R is 0.0225. And it's been 1,000 years, that's your time, so that's your T. If you plug in these given information into your formula would be A is equal to 93 cents that he started off with, 1 plus 0.0225 to the 1,000th power. Okay. In other words, if I were to simplify this, it's y is equal to 0.93 times 1.002, 0.0225 to the 1,000th power. And using your calculator, if I do 0.93 times parentheses 1.0225 to the 1,000th power, you'll see that your answer comes out to 3,508,449 and 71 cents when rounded to the nearest cent. In other words, this is where the show said that it's about $4.3 billion. Okay. So let me give you a little bit of clue about what you're going to be doing in today's lesson, which is the incredible shrinking dollar. When you're looking at the 75% reduction, that's actually this number right here. It's not that it's going up or down by 75%. It means that it's 75% means 25% reduction. Now, if you just look at the percentage part, if I do 1 minus 25%, in other words, 0.25 to the tth power with your A value right there, this becomes 0.75. In other words, whatever your A value is, it's going to end up being 75% of what it was. Okay. Let me show you the example that they were saying about the dollar coin. So for the example, $1 coin, they're saying is 26.5 millimeters. Okay, and a dime is 17.91. Okay, they're saying in the last question that if you do a 90%, and you do it for 4 years, it's going to end up becoming the size of the dime. So this is your given information. Here's your A value. This is the parenthesis part with the rate. And here's your T value. In other words, the equation would be y is equal to 26.5 times, well, I guess it was a 10% reduction. So what used to be 1 minus 10% to the 4th power is now 90% to the fourth power. And if I use the calculator for that, give me 1 second. It will be 26.5 times that 0.9 to the fourth power. It ends up being 17.38665. And I mean, it's close enough to it, right? It's a little bit smaller than a dime, but if you reduce it at 90% 4 times, it'll end up being the size of a dime. This should definitely help you to get the answer for the incredible shrinking dollar. That one's going to be a graded assignment. Good luck.